Today, we're going to talk about Milwaukee and something that I really like. I have different tool storage, I guess you could call it, or storage cabinets. I got this Milwaukee, which is clear through. I'm going to talk about this one. But I do got a rigid, I do got a DeWalt that are hard plastic. And we're going to talk about today basically about this Milwaukee. As you can see, the best thing I like about it is you can do a quick check of your inventory, see what you got, see what's missing, you know. Thing is, I go out on a road call, you know, I get this guy out, flip it open, and right away, you know, alligator clips, 7-way plug, another tester, you know, test jumps, back probing, a 9-volt battery, more alligator clips, and then right here's my collection, right? I got the fluke, the ends, and then also I got the, you know, the real small piercing ones that are real great for different things, more alligator clips, and just, you know, more stuff, right? Just more stuff that, you know, special tools, you know, for repinning on Cummins. But the thing is, you know, efficiency, organization, quick visual inspection of what you got, and like I say, efficiency, because you know, hey, if I need this, you know where you're going. Bam, it's right there. Before you get through with the job, you look over, oh, it's missing. Go find it, put it back. Same thing here with my leads. You know, I keep them right here. Everything's quick access. So Milwaukee, I think this is more like for construction guys, for screws and things, but I use it for organizing my my electrical testing stuff that I use daily. And like I said, you know, quick visual inspection. We open it and you go right to what you want. You know what I mean? And these are my hot tools. These are the ones I use a lot. So I always want to keep them, you know, right where I want them, and makes things quick and fast. I don't know what I paid for this thing, whatever it was. I'll tell you this: if this breaks, I'm driving to wherever I can get another one immediately. That's how valuable this thing is in my work method, in my efforts to be efficient, to get the customer up and running. So can't say enough about this case. We'll talk about the other ones in another video, but today it's focusing on the Milwaukee tool case. Great.